What is up, YouTube? Thrift School over here. Just pulled up to a tag sale. Let's head in there and let's see what we can find. I'll try and get some hidden footage on my phone, hopefully. Let's see what we find. It's kind of late. It's actually, I don't even know where the time is. Oh, there it is. You can't really see it. It's 11:26. Let's check it out. So far, not much. Some baskets, some Christmas stuff. We're gonna have to try and find some electronics or something. All right, guys, I really wasn't able to film much because I'm using my phone at these sales. It's actually 12:30. I went out late today and I still found all of this stuff. And this was only 3 sales that I went to. And that first one that you guys saw, I didn't end up buying anything there. It was all kind of junk. I wish I was able to film at these 2, but they were very small in people's front yards. And I actually might go back to one and make an offer on all of their DVDs. And I'll explain why in a second. But let's go over what we ended up picking up. At the last sale, I ended up picking up these games right here and a few DVDs. So I didn't scan anything, but that's okay because I paid a really good price. I paid $35 for all of this. We have a brand new sealed Full Metal Alchemist TV show. We got C-Lab 2021 Season 2. Hatchet 2. And now I was just picking out things that looked unique and different. I don't know if these are actually worth anything. I know some of these video games are worth something, so that's good. We have a Steelbook of Dark Souls 2 on Xbox 360. Lego Star Wars The Complete Saga. The Witcher 3 Wild Hunt. No Man's Sky. Terraria. Lego Harry Potter Collection. The Lego Movie video game. And some of these games I'm actually interested in, so I might play them. Lego Batman 3 Beyond Gotham. Lords of the Fallen Limited Edition. And these are all complete, which are nice. And Fallout 4. So these limited editions and stuff all come with all their bonus stuff and soundtracks. And so they are going to be worth a little bit more, which is good. Same thing with this Witcher 3. It comes with a poster and everything. It's all in here. It's very heavy. So pretty cool finds right there. At the other sale, I paid a total of $50, and I got Guitar Hero Warriors of Rock, Twisted Metal, Brutal Legend, these are PS3 games, Blazing Angels 2, and I hope you guys are seeing all the prices flashing up on the screen. I guess I'm doing a lot of editing right now. Gran Turismo 6, this game actually is worth a decent amount. Need for Speed Hot Pursuit, Need for Speed Undercover, Skate 3, Grand Theft Auto episodes from Liberty City, and now this is brand new, but you guys can see, obviously the wrapping is ripped off, but at least I know it's brand new, so everything's in here. It feels heavy, so I think the map is in here and all that. We could actually take this off because obviously I'm not going to sell this as new, so let's see what's in here. Yeah, all the bonus content, the maps and everything, so that's really good. Creepshow 2, cool movie. Don't know if it's worth anything, but still pretty cool. And then we got a couple more movies over here. We got Crank Yankers Season 1 and Rollerball, which I kind of bought this just because the guy was talking to me about it, and I was like, yeah, throw it in, whatever. Then I got an iPod Mini 4 GB. This one was dead, so I don't know if it works. Hopefully it works. We got, and I know this one works. This is an iPod. Let's see if it turns on. Completely loaded. I don't know if those are scratches or I don't know what that is on the side there, but it works. It's a bunch of gigabytes, 30 gigabytes, so not that much, but still not bad. Got an HDMI cord and some TV remotes. Got one here. I should have 2. I don't know where the other one is. Did I drop it? think I might have left it there, but that's okay. So that is everything I snagged at those sales. Lots of good stuff. I'm going to be popping up screenshots and everything. So pretty cool. Let's move this all into the garage. I'm going to be going to more sales tomorrow. But maybe I'll actually head back out and buy all those guys' DVDs and make them an offer on it. That might be fun. I don't know if I'll be able to catch it on video, but I might set my phone up on the dash so you guys can see me working out a deal. Hopefully I can work out a deal. And yeah, he had lots of seasons. Here, let me flip the camera around. Whew, there we go. Much better in the house. He had lots of seasons of DVDs and TV shows and just a bunch of really cool stuff. So I kind of want to get that because sometimes those complete box set seasons, he had the complete series of Hey Arnold, Beavis and Butthead, and a bunch of other things. So I do want to look those up first on my phone, see if they're worth anything. And I'll pop them up on the screen right here so you guys can see if they're worth anything. And I'm going to get to work right now going through this stuff. He said he's going to be set up until about 3. So it's almost 1 o'clock right now. And guys, I found all this stuff at around 11 to noon. So definitely, you know, nobody's out sailing today, which is perfect for me. Man, oh man, I still have a lot of CDs to go through, guys. So many of these need to still be listed. I've had a few people comment down below saying they are interested in some of these lots. I've listed a few up on my eBay. If you guys want to take a look at the kind of music that's in here, if you're interested. Also, I know I had a few comments saying they were interested in this. This was actually about 2 weeks ago or a week ago. I responded to a few of you guys, but I lost the comments at that point. That's why it's always best to message me over on Instagram. That's how I'm able to keep track of everything. It's hard for me to scroll down and find all the comments once, you know, over 100 are in on a video. But for this video, I still have it. It's Breaking Benjamin, signed, I think, by the whole band, CD. Everything's in very good condition. And yeah, it's all in there. Looks really good. Very clean. Disc is very clean as well. So we will put that off to the side. We got to get some listing done. This is looking a little dirty. Uh-oh. We can't have dirtiness here. Do you like my guy back there? He's pretty cute. Also, it is extremely hot in here. This garage is not temperature controlled at all. You can see I'm already starting to sweat. It's not temperature controlled at all in here. So I can only work in here for little bits at a time because if it's like 80, 85 outside, it's over 90 in here, close to 100 degrees. No AC, no nothing. I could open up the doors, but then there's bees, and I don't want bees coming inside. We have bees, like wasps. I don't like dealing with them. So I'm gonna bring all the other items inside the main house and take screenshots of all the prices so I could have put them on this video because I like to make it more enjoyable for you to watch. All right, guys, so I wish I filmed this and I didn't, but you guys are about to get a first-hand look of what I just purchased. We were driving up to Walmart and drove past a garage sale sign. Here we call them tag sales, so it was a tag sale sign. I drove past the tag sale sign and I had to pull in. Look at the back of my car. Oh, I did it again. I did it again, totally. I bought a whole bunch of DVDs. Every single one of these is completely full. We have complete TV sets. Roseanne right there, Frasier right here, Rescue Me, Grey's Anatomy. There's a bunch of random DVDs as well, but a lot of them are box sets. There's 24. What do we have over here? Don't even know what that is. Some random ones in there. So I got to pull these all out, guys. You'll see how many I ended up getting. It's just absolutely insanely packed. So we're going to start pulling them out, looking up prices on a bunch of these. Hopefully we have some winners. I know we will. I paid $85 for all of them. 85 bucks. They originally said 60. Well, one guy said 60. I said, heck yeah. And then his son or somebody came out and said, wait, 60 for all of that? No, that's crazy. Then he was saying 100. I countered at 80. He said yes. And then right as I was going to give him money, he's like, no, 85. So I gave him 85 and we called it a deal. I was still happy with it. Let's go through all this stuff right now. First things first, we have a puppy. Hey, Soph. Soph. Hi. What's up? You gotta say hi. We gotta get the puppy tax on camera. We got to. Do you like the camera? Oh, you're such a sweetheart, and I love you more than anything in the world. Oh, good girl. What do you smell? Okay, let's keep working on the on the DVDs. So what I'm going to do is take all of them and bring them right in here into the garage, and I guess just stick them right here. I don't know. Looks like a good spot. All right, so the first box I'm going through, what is this up here? Oh yeah, this one didn't have a barcode. I finished all the DVDs that were just on top. We still have a lot of boxes to go through. This stack right here is not worth it, meaning it just doesn't sell for anything, so I will sell these disc only, lots of 100 over on eBay for about $25, and then I have Blu-ray. I think I have 1 or 2 Blu-rays that I also sell in lots over on eBay. Now, here's the stack that is worth it, and this is just coming off the top of this one little box right here. So the first thing we have here is a lot of this China Beach show, and 2 of them are sealed. 2 of them are open. Now, on eBay, you guys can see right here, there's a Chinese seller selling this for about $38, $39. Well, all the ones based in the US are selling it for about $80 to $90. So it's obviously a fake knockoff coming from China. People are still buying it, of course. They're able to sell it much cheaper. But it says that they're 93% sold out. Hopefully that's true. Hopefully they actually do sell out of this, because it looks like it's still selling for about $80 so. But that's all brand new. This is only half new. If I could get $50 for this, I'd be very happy. So sweet, there's $50 back out of my $85 I spent. This guy right here sells for about $9, so I'll take that. This is actually semi-rare. This goes for about $18, so that's a pretty solid profit. The Good Wife. Now, this is not worth much because I only have the first 3 seasons. But if I could sell these for $15 shipped, I would be very happy. I don't know if I'll get that, but I think that's kind of where I'm going to price it at. The Pajama Game. This is another, $5-ish or so I'm going to make. Same thing with this, another like $5-ish. And one thing I'm noticing is Doris Day seems to go for good money, because this is Doris Day, that's Doris Day, and that rare one over here is Doris Day. So maybe I should keep an eye out for those when I go thrifting. That's pretty interesting. American Dreamer, this is another, just few bucks that I'm going to make. And same thing here. With 6 you get egg roll. I'm only going to make a couple bucks on it. But this stack right here almost makes all of my money back. And we haven't even finished the first bin. So it looks like most of these aren't going to be worth it, like Rush Hour 3, Rambo. These aren't really worth any money. It's more going to be the weird, obscure things. Hopefully there's a couple more in here like that. But it's fine, because a lot of these I sell disc only over on eBay for $25 a lot, and it cost me about $4 to ship them off, so I still make good money per every 100 that's not worth it to sell on eBay. Now, I could actually try to sell them locally for $1 a piece. I've been thinking about trying to find a pawn shop that'll pay me a quarter to 50 cents a piece for these, because I'd rather just get cash for them instead of having to throw away all these cases. It's just a lot of unnecessary work. So I'd rather sell them locally for about the same price. I think I could sell lots of 100 DVDs for $25 locally. I don't know. What do you guys think I should do? I've been doing it over on eBay. It's been solid, but I want to make more money. I feel like 100 DVDs, you should get a little more than after fees. I'm making under $20, so that's about 20 cents a disc. So that's all right. I actually have to run to the post office and drop some orders off. It's just some cheap DVDs. Hey, what I'm working with right now. So let's run to the post office, drop that stuff off, and I will be right back. All right, guys, I'm back. Let's get back to work. Let's finish this box up right here, and hopefully we have some winners. All right, guys, first box completely empty. Could sit over here. Actually, we could put the ones that aren't worth it back in that box, and here's the pile that's worth it. This is how many more DVDs we ended up grabbing. We got those, that. This was brand new. And Garp. Walking Tall trilogy, and this one that didn't have the barcode is actually worth a little bit, not a lot, but still money. Still, this is probably another, I don't even know the exact amount, because there's some in here that are worth, over $10, $15, and some that only sell for about $7, $8, but not bad. This pile right here should, no matter what, pay for all the DVDs, plus I'll be in the profit once all of these sell. So what I'm gonna do now is instead of going through another whole box, because then I'm left with a death pile, I'm just going to take pictures of all of these. I'm going to get a piece of white poster board, lay it down right here, take front, back, and open it up and take one of the inside. And I'm going to do that for all of these right now and make sure these get listed and start making some money. Alright guys, so here is my listed pile. I was about to say sold. That'd be nice if they were sold. This is my listed pile. This is not listed yet. My phone only has 6% battery, so I gotta go plug it in, charge it up. We will be back out here in about an hour or so to finish up these to make sure we have one full box done out of a lot of them. So it's definitely gonna take time, but I don't mind. We listed what? 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14 of them, so close to 15. That's still really good to get this many listings up right away today. I got a few other listings up today earlier, some random things like some baseball caps and other DVDs and stuff. But this is good for right now. These are the ones that are left. We only have 3. We have this mini little set right here that I have to get up. And we have this set that I have to get up that I told you guys about. And then this one needs to be cleaned. You can see there's like some grime on the front, so I didn't list it because it needs to be cleaned. So that's what we're dealing with. It's really not too many more listings because that's one, and then this is 4 separate. So not bad at all. We're going to leave that for later. These are listed, and guys, I'm going to create a custom SKU on these. Basically, what I'm going to do is create that custom SKU so I know which DVDs are from this buy to see how much money I make in a week, right? See if I make my money back in 1 week or less, and I'll keep you guys updated on that. So I'll know each time something sells from this bundle and not some of my other DVDs, it'll have that little custom SKU that just pops up whenever something sells over on eBay. You guys can see how extremely hot and sweaty and red I am. This garage is killer right now. I am dying. It's a good time to plug in the phone. I think we're going to call it quits here though for the video. I'm going to edit this and upload this. Hopefully you guys enjoyed it. If you did, give it a thumbs up. If you have any questions, leave them down below. Subscribe if you haven't already. This is Thrift School signing out. See ya.